Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 5 of Lonsdale Public Library's summer reading program. I'm your host, Mr. X. No, really, I'm just joking. It's me, Penny. But I am doing it this way because it is Spy Week. Doo-doo-doo. And so, as an activity this week for the readers, there is an escape room on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You do have to pre-sign up for your times. So stop in or have your grown-up stop in and see what times are still available. Or you can give us a call. We would love to talk to you because we really want you to have a chance to see if you can get out. So while we're talking, our kit this week, you can see we have coloring sheets as usual. We have activities, and you too can sport these fantastic glasses and my mustache, because that is the craft of the week. I had a lot of fun making it, in case you can't tell. So inside your kit, you will have this sheet. It's a template. It's got 2 different glasses and 2 different earpieces. So just color them, cut them out, and glue the earpieces together. On this one, if you fold that tab over, it doesn't line up exactly with the pieces. If you put the earpieces right on that tab, they slant down. So you kind of just have to make them so they're straight across. We also have our mustache kit. In order to do that, you take your pipe cleaner and you fold it in half. So you have kind of an upside down V. You have a whole pile of little scraps of yarn. All right, all you have to do is you put the little scraps of yarn right through there like that. And I smush them up so that I can twist them tight. And if they're not tight enough, you can give a few more twists just to make sure that it stays in right. And then I twisted the pipe cleaner all the way down just to give me a good handle. There are different colored mustaches. I think I have some black-haired ones and some brown-haired and some gray ones, but I like the gray. So if you want to make yourself look like a spy or in a disguise, try our kit. You'll have a fantastic time. And this message will self-destruct in 3, 2, 1.